it's supposed to feel.
What's going on, guys? And today we have a display unit for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the exact replica size and all dimensions, and we're gonna take a closer look to it. You can see the camera array on the back, Samsung branding. You got this matte black finish on the bottom. You can see the S Pen, the speaker grill, USB Type-C, a microphone, and we do have 2 antenna breaks. And on this side, we got, looks like a button. Don't know what the button is for. Above that, we got the power button, volume markers, another antenna break. And on the top, we have microphone, looks like another antenna break. And on the right side, looks like we have just the SIM card slot. So there's no more micro SD card support, so that's just going to be for the SIM card. So yeah, the phone, I like the way it feels. It's rounded off on the corners and it looks great. So I'm super excited for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is just a little hands-on with the display unit. So yeah, stay tuned for some more video content. I'll have cases that I want to fit and try this display unit. I don't see how it fits, but yeah, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, beautiful. We out.
Yeah, I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with everyone.